Savannah from Love Island this season. When I first saw her picture, I was like, she looks like Jigsaw. She looks like a blonde Jigsaw. So I go on threads, right, to see what people think, and people think she looks like Jigsaw too. She looks, she looks horrendous. Not even terrible, horrendous. This, what she has to her, like, I'm speechless a little bit. I'm kind of speechless that a 21-year-old looks like that. No 21-year-old should look like that. Like, she has the big duck lips, too much lip filler, and then she has the pointy chin. She probably has some kind of chin filler or something. And then she has I see a nose job. I personally see a nose job. But that's like the least offensive thing on her face, surprisingly. The Botox. Her face is frozen. Frozen face. The filler, especially in her cheeks, like jigsaw cheeks. Too much of everything. Less is more. And she was probably a pretty girl before, but she looks very old for 21. She looks 45 because of all the filler. And this is why I believe getting all that shit done makes you look old. It ages you. This freaking cosmetic surgery is normalized and it's not good. It's crazy. No 21-year-old should look like that. You should look like a 21-year-old, even younger than your age. You should not look like you're 45. You should not look like a fucking puppet from a scary movie. And she's off. She's gonna get so much backlash in the comments. And of course, people, the bleeding hearts, and be like, oh my gosh, stop bullying her. I'm sorry. I think this is when bullying is acceptable. For when someone looks like that, they done so much shit to their face. They look like Jigsaw, the puppet. I think it's perfectly acceptable in this moment.